Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to draw lines in Canva easily, quickly, and using the latest features. Whether you're touching up a presentation, designing social posts, or just adding a simple flourish to your template, by the end of this video you'll know how to add and customize lines like a pro, even if you're brand new to Canva. So let's jump right in. First things first, open up Canva. If you don't already have it open, just head over to Canva.com in your browser. Canva is super user-friendly and works both on desktop and in the mobile app, but for this walkthrough I'll be demonstrating on the desktop version since that gives us the most screen space. Once you're on the home page, look towards the upper right-hand corner and you'll see a button that says Create a Design. Go ahead and click on that. Now you can choose any template size you need. Maybe you're making an Instagram post, a flyer, or even a custom dimension. For this demo, I'll just use a blank canvas. This creates a fresh workspace for us to practice with the line tool. Next, the fun part, actually adding lines. Over on the left sidebar, you'll find a tab called Elements. Click into Elements and then look for the Lines and Shapes section. If you don't spot it right away, you can always type line into the search bar at the top of the Elements panel. You'll notice right away that Canva gives you a bunch of different options, from classic straight lines to more decorative, squiggly, or even dotted lines. If you're not sure what to pick, just try dragging a basic straight line onto your canvas for starters. Now let's explore some variations. For this tutorial, I want to show you a few different types of lines and the modifications you can make. Once you have a line added to your canvas, click on it to select it. You'll see little handles pop up on either end. You can drag these to make your line longer or shorter, or even tilt your line at an angle by rotating it. Don't worry if it looks wonky at first, you can always undo or adjust as you go along. Look at the menu bar above your canvas. Here you'll see customization options. Feel free to experiment with the thickness of your line. There should be a weight or line style option depending on your chosen line. You can make it super thin for something subtle or bump up the thickness if you want your line to really stand out. You can also play around with the color. Click the little color swatch to open up the palette and pick any hue you like. This is especially useful if you're matching your design to a brand or color scheme. Want a dashed or dotted effect. You'll see a line style or similar drop-down menu, where you can pick from solid, dashed, or even dotted lines, perfect for highlighting or underlining text in a fun way. Let's try another type. If you head back into Elements and search for arrow, you'll find lines with arrowheads. These are great for flowcharts or guiding the viewer's attention. Just drag one onto your canvas and adjust it the same way. If you're feeling creative, try layering multiple lines to create unique effects, like a double underline or even a border. Remember, Canva auto-saves your work, so you don't have to worry about losing anything if you pause or make a mistake. And that's really all there is to it. Drawing, customizing, and experimenting with lines in Canva is quick, versatile, and really lets you bring your design ideas to life. With just a few clicks, you can create professional-looking graphics that stand out. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any Canva questions or want more design tips. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy designing.